Hi everyone. So today we are learning a wonderful concept called as NQs. This NQ is very popular in the leetCode and the ADA and as well as in the DSA. This is the most common question where it is very tricky. But in if you learn from my side, I will explain in a wonderful way where you will be really understanding in a quicker manner. If you know, just it is better. If you don't know, okay, I will try to understand. Okay, let's start. I hope you can see the screen. So think we have the 4 n into m means n into n 4 into 4 we have the square. So the thing is the queen, everybody know the queen when the place example the queen can attack from the row wise, column wise and diagonal wise. So we want to place the each 4 queens as well in the same chessboard, but the condition is each thing should be not attacking. How? Let me see here. This queen. This queen is placed here and it is not attacking in the row wise, column wise as well, and even the diagonal as well. The same thing, it should constantly it should be following. If you want to see how does it actually work means it means it and the last thing that we answer required is like this. If it is not happening, it is not getting the answer. What will do? It do the backtracking. Backtracking means it go first. The chessboard, the queen will be starting from this position, from this orange position. First, it will try the more all the possibilities. If it is not happened, it will backtrack. Then it will change the place of the queen. Then it will try to check if the condition is true. Then it will going on. So now I'm going directly to the solution. I'm writing the solution in a IDE of the Python. So I'll write definition. Let's check the condition safe. The safe condition. Always I explain even this as well. So see, when we want to place the chess of the queen, we want to check the means the all the category. It is condition are true or false means the row and the column there should be no queen. Remember, there should be no queen. If there is queen, it should be not able to, we cannot say it is safe. If it is like having nothing and diagonal wise and as well something, so we can say it is safe. So let us write a function. In this function we will be getting the passing as a board. I will write a b. Board means I will tell you last. Okay, board. We'll be having row, column and the n means our number. Okay, so in this first we'll check the condition with the for loop. For I in range 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 of n. No, we should, now we are just checking to which one. We are in the column, right? So we want to check the row wise if there is anything is there. Okay, row. So if b of I and the column will be constant. See, the column will be always constant where when it want to check, I'm pointing towards this. The column will be fixed, but if I want to place here, I want to check if anything is there is not there is or not. So we'll check it this. If we get the queen q, then return false. Okay, return false. Good to go. Yeah. Then the next condition is we want to check as well as the diagonalize, right diagonal, left diagonal, up diagonal. For that we will write this particular code for I comma j in zip. Zip is a function where we'll use for the combination of both two or more things. Okay, range. In the range I will pass row. In the row I will do -1 -1. -1 means it go minus 1 row. Let me explain again. Think this is our queue. When I do the minus 1 row, which is this row, this is row is in nth row, and it will end when I do minus 1, it go for the n minus 1 row. This is the row, and this is the column. When I minus another column, it will go here. So I can check the left diagonal as it is. I hope you understand. I'm very hurry now, so I'm just doing this. Okay, range column minus 1. So this thing, if the condition if b means board means our board is having this condition with the queue, if it is getting the queue, then return false. Return false. Good to go. Yeah. Now the next condition means the next one is yeah. Let me write this. If anything, if the both are true, then just means both are not false, then it should be returning true. It will check the conditions and it will check. Now let's write the next function called as solve q. We will solve the q. Solve q. So in the solve q, we required b and the row and the n. Okay. So first we will check if n is equal to row. That means if the row which is having full means it will backtrack. First it will check the position, check position, position, this position. If it is not attacking, it will position. If all the rows are full, it means what? uh, it means of the row and the n will be, when it become equal, then we want to print out the particular thing. For I in range of n, for j in range of n. So I want to print the p of I of j with and, okay, with a space, single space. Then I will just print for the next line. This one as well. Yeah, done. This is done. Now I will write another condition for colon in range where n will be there. So in this, if just a minute, if our, yeah, safe is safe, SAFE, safe. In the safe you want to pass the b and the row and the column and the n. So if it is true, means it is having any no issue with that. So then what we'll do, we'll just pass the q towards there, where the q will be assigned towards there. Or else, means after completion of that, we will just increment the particular row to move on for the next condition. Like we'll pass the p and the row plus 1 with comma of n. And if it is not, means the if he is trying to backtrack, so for the backtrack, if his not position is not having a way, there is something attacked, we will put x. So this is thing. Now we will write another function to start. So in start we require only n. So in this n we will write the bold. In the bold means b. We will just create a a new, just a minute. Yeah, we will just create an bold means board, new board for our this for loop for I in range. You can write I or anything. It is not necessary. I in range of n. After this, same for in for underscore in range ing range, oh, ing range of n. Yes, good to go. Then if not, solve q. I will pass the p, and the row is 0 and the n is n. Then print if it is not able to search. So search found, not found the n q use n q's, right? This is the thing. So we will just assign this thing n is equal to 4, and I will start to start with the 4. Good. Start. So I have run, I got the error. I have not put even j. Okay, for j in range. Okay, okay, I'm getting error. Let's check it out. So solve. So we had did mistake. We'll solve SOL. Okay, SLOV solve. Okay, I think here as well I did wrong. No, correct. So boom, we got the output. So see, the Q has placed here. So I will just show you the output as well, same as it is. See, the Q is here, and at last and left and down. Like that, there are 4 possibilities. One, two, three, four, five. 5 possibility. No, no, no. Oh, okay. Actually, this is the first one. I don't know why it is coming this way, but as I know, I don't know why does it. eh, It's okay. So almost we got this output, right? So this is the thing where we want to solve this problem. Yeah, thank you. Bye.